Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are bringing a simple yet flavorful dish to your kitchen, Komatsuna and fried tofu in a light broth. Perfect as a side dish or healthy addition to your bento box. This recipe combines the nutritious greens of Komatsuna with the rich texture of fried tofu. So, let's get started! First, prepare the fried tofu. Begin by pouring boiling water over the fried tofu to remove excess oil. Once cooled, slice it into 1 cm wide strips. Next, in a pot, bring the water and seasoning, dashi powder, soy sauce, mirin, sake, and sugar to a boil. Add the fried tofu and komatsuna, cooking briefly until the komatsuna is just tender. Turn off the heat and let the flavors melt together. Dish up the komatsuna and fried tofu, layering over some of the cooking liquid. This dish tastes even better the next day as the flavors deepen, making it a great make-ahead option for your meal or bento box. The combination of fried tofu and komatsuna is not only delicious but also wonderfully nutritious. We used frozen komatsuna for this recipe, providing the frozen vegetable can be convenient and tasty option for busy days. And while we love komatsuna for this dish, feel free to substitute it with spinach for a different twist. Let's look over what we used today. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you enjoy and making and savoring this comforting dish of komatsuna and fried tofu in a light broth. It's recipes like these that remind us of the simple beauty in Japanese cooking, nutritious, flavorful, and easy to prepare. Whether you're cooking for one preparing a family meal, this dish is sure to bring warmth and joy to your table. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious adventures from Japan. Until next time, happy cooking! Bye bye!